Always take fuel with you, because you never know if the fuel gauge is accurate. And a few bits and pieces to get you home. Yeah, apologies for the sunglasses. I have drawers full of clutter and things like that, and I keep breaking sunglasses and sitting on the door, so I don't know, I've had these years and found them. Oh yeah, these will do. I look like a failed porn star. Great for driving in, really nice sort of polarising effect. But yeah, I look like a failed German porn star, I think. If this is what German porn stars, when they're failed, look like. So let's say, anyway, I'm off. Got an 8-hour, probably 9-hour round trip today. Going to pick up a car which I bought, and it's quite a rare car, only 160 right-hand drives, mate, V12 manual, and in its day, 87 grand in 1992. It was the certain je ne sais quoi, oh so very special of cars, it really was, and it was uber expensive and uber engineered and wonderful, and there are only 38 left on the road here. So this is quite a rare thing, and I think, you know what, 5.7 litre V12, and it's basically the engine that went in the McLaren F1 as well. So that engine was then further developed from that and put in the McLaren F1, and it's a manual as well, which is really rare, because it's 850 CSI, so hand-built by the M Division. They never built an M car, they did build one M8 as a prototype, but with crazy horsepower. They didn't think there was a market for it, 600 horsepower, which had the McLaren engine. So I think this is really important. It's a really important car. And the guy's had it for 22 years, and he's looked after it in terms of, he's changed the oil every year. In 10 years, he's done 300 miles. So a lot of the stuff is just aged. So it's a 28-year-old car or thereabouts, and it needs just some love. It's got an MOT, it's all that sort of stuff, it's got oil leaks and all sorts of things. It's in pretty good shape, it just needs, I think the word is titivating, which I love. It's kind of fettling. So I've gone all train spotty or car spotty on you, but I like these things, Anyway, we'll see if we get on. It could be a complete disaster, and it could be hazard lights blinking, flashing away, on the motorway on the hard shoulder with lorries buzzing past. Going, ha 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 ha, you've broken down, we have not. You've broken down, we have not. So we'll see. But hopefully it will be a positive experience today. It's a nice sunny day, and I'll probably speak to you later on. And each to their own, I guess. I've never seen the appeal. Sorry. Mods and rockers. Versus like a Triumph or something, sports cafe racer. Sorry, rockers win every fucking time. Here he comes. He's happy though. If he likes it, great. Can't knock it. Right. 60 mile an hour zone. Spec speed camera. You slow down, we get you over that pitch. You think you get away with it by slowing down for one camera? No, we get you over the distance. If you go slow down for the camera and then speed up again, we get you between the different cameras, because we have a sophisticated computer system that can work it out. It scans your registration number, and we know how fast you're doing over that time, and you're going too fast. So you have a speed awareness course. And I've got a clean license, so I want a clean license. Quite happy with that. My insurance premiums are gratefully relatively low because I'm old and I have a beard. This is really childish now. Where I'm from, I used to love jumping cars. It was just great fun. there's a dip. There's always dips in Derbyshire, lots of hills and things. And you think, oh God, you know, it makes your tummy go funny. And I've done this hill since I was a little kid. It's just brilliant. Love it. So here we go. I'm going to do a dip. Boy, it makes your tummy go funny. Just purchased this wonderful 850 CSI. Now, this guy's owned this car for 22 years and it's done 300 miles in the last 10 years. So it's been mainly in storage, it's been serviced every year. It needs a little bit of tidying up, but it's absolutely, even the AC works, everything's on the button, full history, the whole lot is all stamped up. Like 2 massive lever arch files full of service history. It's only done 80,000 miles. They only made 160 right-hand drives, I believe 154 if I'm correct, came to the UK, and there's only 38 left according to the DVLA. So this is a really, really rare beast, and really, really rare. Most have done Starship Enterprise mileage, and so far so good. I always take some spares with me. I've got a spare can of fuel in the boot and bits and pieces, but this is a lovely pillarless 5.7 litre V12 coupe. And the engine in this, the M70, went into the McLaren F1. So there you go. So I think this is a lovely car myself. Yeah, so here she is. So it seems to be all running well. Let's give a quick check over to make sure we're not losing any fluid or anything. I think that's just... all good. So the first 20 miles have gone well. So hopefully... this car's been in storage for a long time, so it's always best to check. But it has got an MOT. Yeah, we're getting there.